Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore board access in Monday.com for guest users. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To restore board access for guest users in Monday.com, begin by logging into your Monday.com account. Navigate to the workspace containing the board you want to manage. Locate the board that you need to adjust access for. Click on the three-dot menu icon located at the top right corner of the board. From the drop-down menu, select Board Settings. In the Board Settings menu, find the Permissions tab. Once in the Permissions section, scroll down to the Invite Guests option. Make sure the toggle for inviting guests is enabled. If you have existing guest users who need access, go back to the main board view. Click on the Share button located at the top of the board. A list of current board members will appear. Find the guest user you wish to restore access for. If the user is not listed, click on Invite to add them by entering their email address. Make sure to set the appropriate permissions for the guest user. Outlining their access level helps maintain board security. Once the guest has been invited or permissions updated, notify them that they now have access. Have them check their email for the invitation or confirmation. Remind them to log in to their Monday.com account to view the board. If there are further adjustments needed, simply revisit the board settings. That wraps up the steps to restore board access for guest users in Monday.com. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.